Imagine coming home to spotless floors every day without lifting a finger. Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S AI, the ultimate robotic vacuum and mop that redefines hands-free cleaning. With powerful suction, smart AI features, and an all-in-one cleaning station, this device is designed to handle everything from fine dust to deep carpet debris, all while avoiding obstacles like a pro. One of its most impressive features is its mind-blowing 11,000 PA suction power. That's nearly 3 times stronger than most robot vacuums on the market, meaning it can lift dirt and debris with zero effort. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or deep-seated dust in carpets, this machine effortlessly picks it all up. And if you have furry friends, you'll love the ZeroTangle technology. Traditional vacuums often get tangled with hair, but this one is specially designed to prevent that frustration, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted cleaning every time. Now, vacuuming is one thing, but what about those stubborn stains on your floors? That's where the AI Instant Re-Mop technology comes in. Unlike standard robot mops that do a quick pass, the DEEBOT detects stains and automatically increases water flow, adjusting its pattern to clean the area up to 3 times. That means no more scrubbing for you, just perfectly clean floors. Plus, with its TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping, it reaches into tight corners and edges with incredible 1mm precision, ensuring that no spot is left untouched. One of the biggest hassles with most robot vacuums is maintenance, emptying the dustbin, refilling the water, and washing the mop. But with the All-in-One OMNI Station, you never have to worry about that again. This station does it all. Self-emptying to keep dust and debris out of your hands, auto water refilling so it's always ready to mop, 158-degree hot water mop washing for ultra-hygienic cleaning, and hot air drying to prevent odors and bacteria buildup. That means your DEEBOT is always fresh, always clean, and always ready to go. And let's talk about navigation, because what's the point of a smart vacuum if it gets stuck all the time? With AIVE 3D obstacle avoidance and True Mapping 2.0, this vacuum doesn't just bump into things like older models. It recognizes and avoids objects in real time, mapping out the most efficient cleaning route so it covers every inch of your home. The best part? Controlling your DEEBOT is super easy. Use the app, your smartwatch, or even voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Want to start cleaning without reaching for your phone? Just say, "Okay, Yiko," and it gets to work. So if you're tired of daily cleaning, dealing with dust, pet hair, or messy floors, this is your solution. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S AI does it all. Vacuuming, mopping, self-emptying, self-cleaning, and it's 100% hassle-free. Ready to upgrade your home with next-level smart cleaning? Click the link below and get yours today.